Hello everybody, this is Zirva and welcome back to my channel. What we're making here today is what I'd like to call the ultimate, the perfect quarantine snack. It's beefy, it's cheesy, and it's healthy. It's got loads of iron, protein, and a whole lot of calcium. The good news is that it is also as yummy as it's easy. So if you're a beginner, do not worry, this is definitely for you as well. So let's get started. Now add some olive oil into the pan to saute the garlic paste along with the onions until it's golden and fragrant, and the onions will start to soften in about 5 to 8 minutes. So now we add our beef to it and fry until it changes color. And then we cover it up with the lid for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the meat to properly cook. Now add tomato ketchup, mustard sauce, Worcestershire sauce, some table salt, and some red chili flakes and powder. Sriracha sauce, but you can always substitute it with chili garlic sauce or hot sauce. I'm using chili garlic sauce because it's relatively milder. So now you can just simply butter your bread, of course, or follow this recipe that I'm very proud to say that I fashioned myself. It gave my toast the most exotic flavor, like I've never had anything like it. I had an unsalted butter and a regular butter and they tasted amazing, so I added them both. But of course you can always just use one type of butter. Some mayonnaise, garlic paste, a pinch of red chili flakes, but that's optional, some herbs. I only had oregano, but if you have more, you're welcome to add. I also had some cheese mayo lying around, so I added that as well, but again, that's optional too. I'm just using a slice of cheddar cheese at the bottom and then layering it with the meat. I'm also going to top it off with the shredded pizza cheese, but I'd say add that very generously since it's also got mozzarella cheese in it, which will give it the gorgeous stringy, stretchy look upon melting. Now butter your bread abundantly and then turn it over into the hot pan. But here's the tricky part, and as you can see, even I had to call somebody else to do it. But at this point you'll start to smell the seasoning in the butter and you'll know what I meant. This is the secret ingredient that will really enrich the bread with the flavor. Meanwhile, butter the other side and then flip it over once it's golden brown from the bottom.